Hi guys, I am going to show you how to overhaul Apache RTR front disc brake caliper. This video contains removing the disc brake caliper from the motorcycle, removing the brake pads and then removing the caliper piston and o-rings. Then change it with new o-rings and fitting the piston in the caliper, fitting the brake pads back to the caliper, fitting the caliper to the motorcycle. Finally, renewing the disc brake oil and bleeding the disc brake oil to remove air in the system. Some precautions to be observed. They are: cover the vehicle painted parts to avoid damage to the vehicle paint and use hand gloves to protect hands from the brake oil. First of all, remove these two screws. Now using the Allen key, just crack open the Allen bolt, which is a guide pin for the brake pads. Now open the two bolts which secures the brake caliper to the motorcycle. Now the brake caliper can be removed. Now take out the guide pin by opening the Allen bolt. The Allen bolt, which is the guide pin, has been taken out. The brake pads are free and can be removed. Remove the spring pad using a screwdriver. Pull out the bracket. Just pull out this bracket and the bushes also. Now we are going to take out the piston. Just press the brake lever so that the pistons will come out. If one piston is stuck, then hold the other piston and press the brake lever so that the other piston can come out. Alternatively, hold this piston and press the brake lever so that the other piston will come out. Do like this till the piston reaches the end position. The piston can be removed now. Once the piston is removed, drain the remaining brake oil. Now I am going to disconnect the brake caliper from the brake hose. It is possible to change the piston and the new o-rings in place itself, but I am going to disconnect it from the hose and then do it in separate place. Now remove all the 4 o-rings using some sharp object. Clean all the parts of the caliper and piston also. Now I am going to install a new set of o-rings. Just apply some brake oil to the O-rings and then mount it inside the caliper. Now we are going to fit the piston inside. Just lubricate the O-rings using same brake oil. Apply some oil to the piston also and then push it inside the caliper. It should go freely by hand. Now we are going to change the bleeder cap. Just open this bleeder valve and change the new cap. Now we are going to open the master cylinder cap. Remove the two screws and then master cylinder cap can be taken out along with the plate and the diaphragm. Remove the old oil and clean the master cylinder. Now connect the brake caliper to the brake hose. Now put the spring pad inside. Now mount the bushes also. And then apply some oil to the bracket pin and then push it inside. Just clean the brake pads. After cleaning, just keep it in position. Keep the brake pads in position and then put the guide pin through the brake pad. Just put this guide pin through it. Now tighten the gate pin. Attach the brake caliper to the motorcycle. Just lubricate these two bolts and fit into the motorcycle. Now we are going to bleed the caliper. For that I just made a hole into the bottle cap and inserted a tube, and the bottle cap is tightened into a bottle. Just keep some fluid in the bottle and insert the hose into the fluid. Connect the other end of the tube into the brake bleeder. Now fill the oil in the master cylinder. I am using .3 oil. Just press the brake lever and hold it. Open the bleeder and close the bleeder. Now release the brake lever. This is the process we have to repeat again. Press and hold the brake lever. Open the bleeder and close the bleeder and release the lever. Press and hold the brake lever. Open and close the bleeder nut and then release the lever. This is the process we have to do it for empty system also, for filling the oil and changing the old oil with new oil. In between, keep on checking the master cylinder level. Once the level goes down, just keep on fill it up. If level goes very low, then air will enter into the system. So keep on topping up the master cylinder level is necessary. Once the clear oil comes out without any air bubbles, just tighten the bleeder cap and take out the tube and put the bleeder cap. Fit these two screws also. Thanks for watching.